Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we would learn how to solve the practice problem find index. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question we would be given a list, or you can say array of numbers. For example 1 2 3 4 5 5. Okay, basically we need the index position, so I would be writing 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now in this question we would be given a key value. For example, the key value is 5. Now we need to find the position of this key value from the left side and from the right side. Okay, so let's see what is the key value. Now if I start from this side, okay, so this is, I would find 5 over here, which is 4, right, at the 4th position from the left side. And now if I start from the right side, it is at the 5th position, right? So position 5 from the right side. So this should be my answer, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is what I have to do. I would be given a key value and a list of numbers. I need to find that value, the index position specifically from the left side and from the right side. So how would I do it? First thing is I would create an empty list. Okay, now there can be a situation where the key is not present in the list, right? It is not there. So what I would do in that situation, if the key is not present in the list, right? So what I would do, I would just return -1. Now for example, if it is present, okay, if it is present, then first thing I would apply a for loop on the array, from the starting to the ending index. And whenever I come across the value of the key, if the key is matching with any element, then I would, put that index position. Then I would put that index position in the empty, in the empty list, so that I would just store the index position there. Okay, I would just store the index position there, and once I have stored the index position, I would have two values. One would be from the left side, another one would be from the right side, right? Now logically the left side value would be small and this side value would be big, right? So what I would do is, this would represent the minimum value and this would represent the maximum value. Okay, so this is how we are going to solve this question. So what we would do is, now once we have understood the question, let's solve it. So guys, we would go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty, we need to choose school and then we need to find the problem, find index. Okay, now let's do it. Let's solve it. Now let's solve the question. Now let's read the statement first to understand it. See, given an unsorted array of n integers and a key which is present in this array, you need to write a program to find the start index where the element is first found from the left side, and end index where the element is first found from the right side. Okay, and we would code it over here, right? So let's start. So first thing is, I would create an empty list. Okay, now I need to check for a condition where the key is not present only, right? So I would write if key not in A. If key is not in A, then what I need to do? Then I need to return -1, -1. Then I would just return with -1 and -1. Okay, now this is a condition where the key is not present, but if the key is present, then I need to traverse the entire array, right? So the next thing would be for I in range n. Okay, I in range n, I am now traversing the array. Okay, I in range of n, then what do I need to do? I need to check if I is the index position equal to key, whatever the value of key is given to me. If it is matching, then I need to add it in the empty list, right? So I would just say d dot append means add. What do I need to add? I need to add the index position, right? And finally, I would just return with the value of min and max, right? So what I would do is, 1 minute, I would just say return With what do I need to return? I need to return with the minimum and the maximum value. So I would write min from B, comma, max from B. Okay, so min and max from B. Now I have coded it, so I would click on compile and run. Okay, so let me click on compile and run. It is getting compiled. So see, let's check if it is matching or not. So see, my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. So let me submit it. Let's wait. See, the problem is submit successfully, and this is how you solve the question find index. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching it. Thank you.